prediction market rounds, you try to improve the market forecast by betting the points you've been given. You increase your expected winnings and improve the market forecast the most when you bet on the claims where you think the market forecast is most wrong. If you run out of points or simply want to reconsider your previous bets, there are two ways to do this. The easiest way is to click on Claims, then All Claims, and then check the My Claims box to focus on claims you've bet previously. Then you would click on a claim to review what you've invested and consider your options. You can also see a list of all the claims you own by clicking on your username, My Dashboard, and then the Performance tab. And here you see the shares you own in yes and no. This might be a way you would want to choose if you wanted to focus on the claims that you owned the most shares. So if I would choose this one that I own 179 shares in. No. Unfortunately, we don't have the claim question here, but you can get to the claim by clicking on the question ID. If I'd like to free up points from this question, this is how I'd do it. In the panel on the right, I can see that I'm almost out of points. I only have 3 available. And I can also see how many shares I own. In this case, 179 shares in no. If I move the forecast away from this extreme, I can see that on the rightmost part of this right panel, how many points I would have if I clicked Submit. I can also see how many shares I would have. So in this case, I would still have 44 shares in no, but I would move up to 115 points that I could trade on another claim. If I moved even further, I would have 0 shares in no, and now I would own 27 shares in yes. When I click Submit, I'll instantly have those points available to bet on another claim in greater need of improvement. Remember, uninvested points don't pass from one round to the next, so try to find enough good bets to get fully invested each round.